Looking for the perfect electric screwdriver set to tackle your DIY projects with ease? Whether you're a professional or a home enthusiast, having a reliable, versatile, and efficient electric screwdriver can make all the difference. Here's a quick guide to the best 5 electric screwdriver sets that combine power, precision, and convenience to help you get the job done faster and smarter. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Lefavor C200 Electric Screwdrivers Set. When it comes to precision and portability, the Lefavor C200 Electric Screwdriver Set offers an exceptional blend of power, versatility, and ease of use. Designed for anyone who works with delicate electronic devices, this toolkit is the perfect solution for repairing items like mobile phones, laptops, cameras, game consoles, and other small gadgets that require careful handling. Its compact, rechargeable design allows users to work efficiently on precision tasks without the hassle of cords, while its ergonomic aluminum alloy handle ensures a comfortable grip even during extended use. The Lefavor C200 features a 600 mAh Li-ion battery that provides ample power for sustained use, and it charges quickly via a Type-C interface, so you won't be left waiting long between repairs. With a no-load speed of up to 1200 RPM, this electric screwdriver is capable of handling most tasks quickly and efficiently. Its electric torque ranges from 3.0 to 3.5 kg/fcm, providing just the right amount of force for handling screws without the risk of damaging the sensitive components you're working on. Whether you're tightening or loosening screws on a smartphone screen, a laptop, or a camera, this screwdriver ensures you maintain the precision required for these delicate jobs. The screwdriver set includes 38 high-quality CRV bits, offering a wide range of options for different screw types and sizes, allowing users to tackle a variety of repair jobs. The set also comes with 6 disassembly picks, providing the necessary tools for easily opening up devices without causing damage. The magnetization and demagnetization parts inside the tool add another layer of convenience, enabling you to easily control and manage screws during your work. One of the standout features of the Lefavor C200 electric screwdriver is its forward and reverse rotation functionality. This feature allows users to easily tighten or loosen screws with a simple flip of the switch, streamlining the entire repair process. Its brushless motor ensures smooth, consistent performance and longer lifespan, minimizing the need for maintenance or replacements. This is especially beneficial for people who regularly repair or service electronic devices. At just 310 G, the Lefavor C200 is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're performing routine maintenance on your tech or working on more complex repairs, this tool provides the necessary precision without being too cumbersome. The tool's compact size also makes it highly portable, allowing you to carry it with you for on-the-go repairs. Despite its many strengths, there are a couple of limitations to consider. The torque range might not be suitable for larger or tougher screws typically found in larger machinery or furniture assembly. Additionally, while the tool's speed and power are ideal for precision tasks, it might not be powerful enough for heavy-duty screwdriving needs. Pros: precision, lightweight, versatile bits, easy charging. Cons: limited torque, not for heavy-duty jobs. Number 4. UF Tools CS0802A Electric Screwdriver Set. When it comes to precise, on-the-go repairs, this electric screwdriver set is a must-have tool for anyone who works with delicate electronics like mobile phones, watches, or other small gadgets. With its compact and ergonomic design, this electric screwdriver offers both power and precision, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're repairing a smartphone, adjusting a watch, or fixing other intricate electronics, this tool has everything you need to get the job done efficiently. It offers both manual and electric torque options, giving you flexibility based on the task at hand. The manual torque setting delivers up to 3 Nm, allowing you to apply more force when necessary for stubborn screws, while the electric torque setting ranges from 0.25 Nm to 0.35 Nm for precision tasks. This adjustable torque range ensures you can work safely and accurately without the risk of damaging fragile components in your devices. Another notable feature is the 350 mAh battery, which provides reliable power for multiple tasks. While its capacity is modest, it offers a quick charging time of less than 70 minutes, ensuring you're back to work with minimal downtime. The rechargeable battery is ideal for those who need portability and ease of use. Plus, the tool is powered by a Type-C charging interface, which is fast and convenient, allowing for easy recharging at home or on the go. This screwdriver set includes 42 precision bits in a wide variety of sizes and shapes, making it suitable for a range of electronic devices, including smartphones, cameras, tablets, watches, and even gaming consoles. This comprehensive set ensures that you'll have the right bit for every job, allowing for greater versatility and ease when working on various projects. The bits are made of durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. Ergonomically designed with an aluminum alloy handle, the screwdriver provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. This is especially important when working on detailed repairs, where precision and control are key. The lightweight, compact design also makes it easy to store and carry, so you can take it with you for quick fixes at home, at work, or on the go. This cordless, rechargeable kit is incredibly portable, making it ideal for those who need to make quick repairs in a variety of settings. The tool's small size means it can fit into most toolkits, drawers, or bags, offering convenience and ease of use wherever you need it. However, it offers great functionality for light-duty repairs. It may not have the power needed for larger or tougher screws, such as those found in furniture or heavy equipment. Additionally, while the torque range is excellent for precision work, it might not be sufficient for more forceful tasks requiring more significant torque. Pros: compact design, versatile torque, fast charging, precision bits. Cons: limited torque, not for heavy-duty jobs. Number 3. CreationSpace CS0802A electric screwdriver set. For those in need of a versatile, compact, and powerful tool for various repair tasks, this electric screwdriver set is an excellent choice. It combines the functionality of both an electric screwdriver and a cordless drill, making it perfect for light drilling and precision screwdriving tasks. Whether you're working on assembling furniture, repairing gadgets, or tackling small construction projects, this tool offers both convenience and efficiency, saving time and effort during your projects. The dual-purpose design of this tool makes it highly adaptable to different tasks. With 3 torque settings, it provides flexibility for various materials and tasks. Whether you're driving screws into softwoods or need a bit more power for tougher jobs, you can easily adjust the torque to suit your needs. This ensures you can use it for everything from intricate electronics repairs to general DIY work around the home. Lightweight and compact, this electric screwdriver set is designed with portability in mind. Its small size allows you to maneuver it easily in tight spaces or awkward angles where larger tools might struggle. This makes it perfect for users who need to access hard-to-reach areas or those who require a lightweight tool for extended use without fatigue. Furthermore, the cordless design enhances its portability, making it convenient for on-the-go repairs or DIY projects. Power isn't compromised despite the compact form factor. The robust motor delivers consistent and reliable performance, ensuring that each job is completed with precision. Additionally, the set features an ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. The intuitive controls make it simple for anyone to use, regardless of experience level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIY expert, you'll find this tool easy to operate, with no steep learning curve. One of the standout features of this set is its integrated LED light. This handy addition ensures that you can work in dimly lit environments or tight spaces without straining your eyes. It provides excellent visibility when you're working in low light conditions, allowing you to see exactly where the screw or drill bit needs to go. This makes it especially useful for intricate repairs, such as those on electronics, where precision is crucial. The rechargeable battery ensures that you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, offering both convenience and sustainability. However, its power is sufficient for light to medium tasks, making it ideal for home projects, repairs, and assembly work. While it's not meant for heavy-duty drilling or large screws, it excels at handling smaller screws and softer materials with ease. However, there are a few drawbacks. The tool might not provide enough torque for larger, more demanding drilling tasks such as working with thick wood or masonry. Additionally, due to its small size, it may not be the most comfortable option for users with larger hands, though the ergonomic design does help to mitigate this somewhat. Pros: compact design, versatile torque, ergonomic, LED light. Cons: limited torque, small size. Number 2. Xiaomi Delixi Electric Screwdriver Set. When you need a reliable and comprehensive toolkit for precision repairs, the Xiaomi Delixi Electric Screwdriver Set offers everything you could possibly need. Designed to cater to a variety of electronic repairs, this 145-in-1 set provides a broad range of screwdriver bits and disassembly accessories, making it ideal for repairing mobile phones, computers, watches, home appliances, and more. The set's versatility and precision make it a go-to tool for anyone working with delicate devices that require careful handling. This set includes 132 high-quality screwdriver bits, made from durable chromium vanadium steel, ensuring longevity and the ability to handle various screws with ease. The bits are magnetic, which helps prevent screws from falling and makes them easier to manipulate, especially in tight spaces. With such a wide range of bits, you can tackle almost any repair task, from fixing small electronics to more intricate repairs on household devices. The magnetic feature is especially beneficial when working with tiny screws, ensuring they stay in place while you work. In addition to the bits, the Delixi set comes with 13 essential disassembly accessories, including 2 starting rods, 1 sucker, 5 tweezers, a soft extension rod, and a handle. These accessories enhance the toolkit's functionality, allowing you to open devices, remove components, and handle small parts with precision. The tweezers, in particular, are invaluable for tasks that require extra delicacy, such as handling small circuit boards or replacing parts inside smartphones and watches. The handle, ergonomically designed for comfort and ease of use, makes it simple to apply the right amount of pressure when working on small screws or delicate parts. The inclusion of a soft extension rod ensures you can reach screws in hard-to-reach areas, making this kit an excellent choice for anyone performing repairs on devices with limited access or those requiring fine motor skills. The Delixi electric screwdriver set's compact and portable design means you can take it anywhere, whether you're working at home or on the go. This makes it a fantastic choice for mobile repair professionals or DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable and versatile set of tools for precision work. The set's compact nature also means it fits neatly in a toolbox or drawer, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Despite its numerous benefits, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the set is perfect for handling small screws and delicate tasks, it may not be suitable for larger, heavy-duty repairs that require more torque or power. Additionally, while the included accessories are excellent for precision work, they might not be as effective for opening larger or more complex devices, such as computers with tougher casings. Pros: versatile bits, magnetic tips, ergonomic handle, compact design. Cons: limited torque. Number 1 and the winner is Arrowmax M1 Pro Electric Screwdriver Set. For those in need of a highly precise and convenient tool for small-scale repairs, the M1 Pro Electric Screwdriver Set is a standout choice. Featuring innovative design and cutting-edge technology, this smart electric screwdriver takes precision and ease of use to a whole new level. The set's unique features, including capacitive touch sensing and an app customization option, make it an excellent tool for tasks requiring the utmost care and control, such as assembling electronics, repairing small devices, or working on delicate components. One of the standout features of the M1 Pro set is its 5-gear torque adjustment system. This allows users to customize the torque settings to suit the specific needs of each task, from gentle screw driving on delicate devices to more robust operations that require a higher level of power. The 5-gear precision ensures that users can apply the perfect amount of force, which is especially beneficial when working with small screws or fragile materials. Whether you're working with electronics, jewelry, or model building, this screwdriver offers the precision required for these meticulous jobs. The capacitive touch sensing functionality takes ergonomics to a whole new level. Unlike traditional screwdrivers with physical buttons, the M1 Pro uses advanced touch sensing technology to detect your hand movements. This system offers a more seamless and intuitive user experience, as the screwdriver responds to your touch without the need for extra mechanical buttons or switches. This not only adds convenience but also ensures a more comfortable grip for extended use. Another feature that sets the Arrowmax M1 Pro apart is its smart motion control system. This system adapts to your hand movements, offering an even smoother and more responsive operation. The screwdriver feels almost like an extension of your hand, allowing for precise control and making it easier to navigate tight spaces or work in different angles. This system is perfect for users who need to perform detailed work without losing accuracy, as it enhances the overall experience of using the tool. Cordless operation is another notable benefit of the M1 Pro. Going cordless means you have the freedom to move around without being hindered by tangled wires or limited reach. This is ideal for people who need to perform repairs in various locations, such as home repairs, on-the-go gadget fixes, or even professional settings where flexibility is essential. The rechargeable battery ensures that you won't have to deal with disposable batteries or downtime, keeping you powered up and ready for work. For those who like to fine-tune their tools to match their specific needs, the M1 Pro offers app customization. This allows users to adjust the torque settings with the app, providing consistent performance for every project. Whether you're working on multiple devices or different types of tasks, the ability to sync the screwdriver with your smartphone ensures a personalized experience that meets the demands of each unique job. Despite its many advanced features, the M1 Pro may not be suited for heavy-duty tasks that require significant torque or industrial-grade repairs. Additionally, while the app customization is a great feature, some users may find it unnecessary for simpler projects and might prefer a more traditional tool with fewer bells and whistles. Pros: customizable torque, touch control, smart system, cordless. Cons: limited torque. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.